Hi guys, my name is Bas and welcome to episode number 20 of my RStudio tutorials here on YouTube. First of all, if this video is helpful to you in any way, shape or form, then please leave a like on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That would be very much appreciated because I want to make this channel grow as much as possible. So today we're going to have another look at the multiple linear regression with a mediator. I strongly recommend watching the previous episode, episode 19, because it explains the theory on mediators. What is a mediator? How do they work? How do you get to the answers in R? And today we're going to make calculations with those answers. So please watch episode 19 first and then come back to this point. Okay, so I assume that you've done that at this point. And what we're going to do today is take another look at the coefficients table of the multiple linear regression with a mediator. And we found out that the independent variable job has an effect of 15,674 on the dependent variable income. So if job increases with 1, then income increases with 15,674. And salary, being the mediator, has an effect of 2,774. So if your salary increases with €1 per hour, your income increases with 2,774. Both those were significant, so you can say that they are true significant effects. And now we're going to take a look at the formula which belongs to confounders and mediators, which is the y is the b0, also known as the intercept, plus the b1 times x1 plus b2 times x2. And that sounds very difficult, but it's actually quite simple because it means that the dependent is the intercept plus the slope of the first variable times the first variable plus the slope of the second variable times the second independent variable. So in this case, income is the intercept plus the slope of job times the job level plus the slope of salary times the salary level. And if we would just fill in this formula, we would get to the answer. But first we're going to have a look at the intercept, which is minus 30,211. And what exactly is this intercept? Well, the intercept is the level of the dependent variable if the independent variables are 0. So in this case, the intercept is the level of income if both job and salary are 0. So if your job level is 0 and your salary is 0, then your income is minus 30,211. And keep in mind, this is a theoretical, mathematical number. You can't have an income of minus 30,000, of course, but in this case you can, because it's just hypothetical. So the intercept is the level of the dependent, so of income, if the independents, so job and salary, are 0. And if we go back to our formula, minus 30,211 is what we can fill in for income. Is the intercept is minus 30,011 plus the job slope was, the slope of job was 15,674. Whoa, okay, that gets 15,674 plus what you fill in for job, the type of job you have, plus times the job you have, plus the slope of salary, which was 2,774 times your salary. And now, at this point, you've got the formula, which is income is minus 30,011 plus 15,674 times the type of job you have, so the tier of your job, plus 2,774 times your salary. So, if we are a person who is in job tier 3 and has salary 15 euros an hour, then we would calculate it by income equals minus 30,011 plus the slope of job, which is 15,674. And we said that he was in tier 3, so multiply that by 3 plus the slope of salary, which is 2,774, times, and we said that his salary was 15 euros an hour. And if you then calculate that on your calculator, which I'm gonna do right now really quickly, minus 30, then you get to an income of 58,632 euros in the month, which is a lot, or maybe in a year. In a year, that's better. So this is how you can make calculations with the coefficients tables of mediators with multiple linear regression. We could, if you, for example, we can do another example. If you're a person who is in job tier 1 and salary is 13 euros an hour, then your income would be the minus 30,000 of the intercept, plus the slope of job times what you fill in for job, which in this case is 1, plus the slope of salary times what you fill in for salary, and that was 13. And if you then calculate that, that's how you will get to the answer. So I hope that this was understandable for you guys. If you have further more questions on multiple linear regression calculations or mediators or just multiple linear regression in general, then feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. I will be back next episode with the Baron and Kenny method, which is always very much fun. And afterwards we're going to discuss moderators. But for now, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please leave a like on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And for now guys, I see you on the next tutorial. Ciao.